Slow steps, easy pace, no pressure in my mind. Leave the noise behind.